Hi guys, this is Snow. So we implemented a projectile system so we can shoot fireballs by spending mana. And monsters randomly shoot a rock, so the battle is more challenging now, I think. And yeah, we can heal the mana and life. In this video, we add more items and also handle item drops. So when you kill a monster, it randomly drops an item. But before doing that, here's another real quick update. This actually should have been done a long time ago. I simply forgot to do it. Oops. So in this entity class and inside of this draw method. Okay, so here, so I realized we are still passing its width and height, but this is not necessary because we already scaled these images when we imported these images. So let's remove this. Yeah, that's all. So let's take care of item drops. I want to add a few more items so we can have more selections. So I created this bronze coin image. So this is kind of an item that you can pick up but not stored in your inventory. So it increases your coin value, and we want to make monsters randomly drop this coin. First copy this image to this object package. Obj coin bronze. And okay, first we're gonna set type, and yeah, this type, since we handle this a bit differently from other consumable items, we're gonna add another type, public final int type, like I don't know, pickup only or something. So we're gonna set this type to this coin. Yeah, something like this. Also, we're gonna set the value of this coin like we set for this red potion. Now think about it. I think I want to declare this value not here but in this entity class, public int value, and okay, potion. We're gonna move somewhere here. So this coin as well, we're gonna add value 1. So, and we're gonna create this use method inside of this coin class 2. Okay, let's delete this. So this is where we type the effect of this item. So first we're gonna play sound effect. 1. We're gonna send a message like a coin plus value, and then gp.player.coin plus value. Go to the player class. Here, pickup object, pick up only items, inventory items. So for this one, gp.obj i.type goal type pickup only or else, and we're gonna put everything in this else. This Okay, and here p.obj I.use and the pass entity this, and gp.obj I equal null. So if it's pick up only item, then we immediately call this use method. So the effect is instant and then delete it. Okay, since we have 3 keys right now, so let's change these keys to the bronze coin. Yeah, okay, so coin 0 now, and now 3 coins. So we have some money now. Also, for example, this heart class or this ManaCrystal class. So right now we are using these heart class or ManaCrystal class just to store these images. But we can place these items too on the map. So the player can pick it up and heal his life or mana. So let me change this real quick. We're gonna add type, call type, pick up only, value equal to, I think. And here we're gonna add this down one image. So we're gonna store this full heart image to this down one buffered image. So this way the entity's draw method can draw this like as an object. Add message 가 life plus value, then entity dot life plus value, entity dot life is greater than entity dot max, life entity dot life call entity dot life. Yeah, but now I think about it, I think we can move this to the player class. We type the same thing in this red potion class too. I don't like typing the same thing like this, so players update like at the end, so we can like check this. So if player's life is greater than player's max life, then we can always set it to the max life. And I think we can do the same thing to the mana as well. So we don't need to type every time, you know, some potion heals his life or something. Yep. Okay. So we don't need this anymore. Okay, then copy this method and paste this in this ManaCrystal class. And this time this is gonna be mana. And okay, type call type pick up only, value down one, call full image. Okay, then let me set these items as well. Yeah, like this. Let's check. Right. And let's receive some damage. Okay. And also use some mana. Okay, let's pick up. Heal mana and heal life. Yeah, okay, working good. So now let's take care of a monster item drop. And first we create two methods in this entity class. Click, void, check, drop. Check, drop, and drop item. And receive entity dropped item or something. Okay for now, and go to the game panel, and inside of this update here we're gonna add one more line, monster I dot check drop. So when a monster died, we check its drop before we set it null. Okay, now open this slime class, monster class, and so we're gonna add that method. So this is the method that gets called when this monster dies. And first we use the random class and pick up a random number. Int I equal new random dot next int 100 plus 1. You can choose any number, like a 200, 300, 500, 1000, any number basically. So yeah, this is basically like a cast die, and so based on the number we decide what to drop. So set the monster drop. If I is smaller than 50, then we're gonna call that drop item method in its superclass and the pass item. So if the number is 1 to 50, then this slime drops the bronze coin, for example. Then obj we're gonna pass coin bronze GP. Yeah, like this. So if I is equal or greater than 50 and smaller than 75, drop item, then bj heart, like this. And okay, copy and paste 75 and smaller than 100. ManaCrystal. So I said 50% of the time the slime drops a bronze coin, and 25% of the time it drops heart or ManaCrystal. So you can set like every monster drops a different items, and once we decided what to drop, we pass them to the drop item method in its superclass, this one, so entity, and we handle the rest in the superclass, because what we do in this method will always be the same. So I or 0 I gp.obj.length I plus plus, and if gp.obj I equal null, gp.obj I equal dropped item. So we scan the array, and if we find a null slot, so vacant slot, we put the dropped item in it. Then we're gonna set its world x, also world y. Yeah, these world x and world y are the one, the dead monsters world x and the world y. So the dropped item appears where the monster was. Also make sure to type break here. So we need to break this loop once we find an empty slot. Otherwise, this dropped item will be put in all the currently empty slot. So this is pretty important. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 slot is not enough. Yeah, let's increase this to like 20. Okay, I think that's everything. So let's check this. Okay. So let's kill some slimes. Oh, it dropped heart. Oh, it dropped ManaCrystal. Oh, nice. They drop all the items that we just implemented. So yeah, let's pick up coin. And yeah, heal our life and heal our mana like this. 1 coin. Yep. Okay, so now monsters drop items randomly. What to drop is totally up to you. So maybe some monsters drop a very rare sword at 2% of the time or something like that. So anyway, that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and until next time.